Welcome to Driveline, the place where power meets precision and style blends with innovation. Here we bring you detailed insights, expert reviews, and the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Today we are looking at the BMW 8i, a luxury coupe that combines elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology into one thrilling package. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just exploring your next dream car, this in-depth overview will tell you everything you need to know about the BMW 8i. The BMW 8i showcases a bold and athletic design that immediately commands attention. Its long and low-slung body gives it an unmistakably sporty stance, while the smooth contours and sculpted surfaces reflect a sense of refined aggression. At the front, the wide kidney grille is flanked by sleek adaptive LED headlights that offer impressive visibility and a modern look. The air intakes are large and functional, designed to enhance aerodynamics and keep the engine cool under pressure. Along the sides, the clean shoulder line and frameless windows contribute to a streamlined silhouette. The low roofline flows effortlessly into the rear, where you'll find slender LED taillights and dual exhaust outlets that emphasize its performance nature. The overall design is balanced with a mix of luxury and sportiness, making it suitable for both grand touring and daily driving. Wheel sizes range from 19 to 21 inches, with several stylish alloy designs available to suit different preferences. Under the hood, the BMW 8i is powered by a robust inline-six turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive combination of horsepower and efficiency. With around 375 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, the car accelerates smoothly and quickly, going from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. This power is managed by an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides seamless gear shifts and a smooth ride in all conditions. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but BMW also offers an optional xDrive all-wheel drive system for improved traction and control. Inside the cabin, the BMW 8i offers a luxurious and tech-rich environment. Premium materials like Vernasca leather, brushed aluminum, and high-gloss wood trim come together to create a first-class atmosphere. The front sport seats are heated, power-adjustable, and designed for long-distance comfort. The rear seats are best suited for occasional passengers or extra storage, as is common in coupes of this class. Technology takes center stage in the 8i, starting with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. BMW's latest iDrive system is intuitive and packed with features, including navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates. The optional Harman Kardon surround sound system, or the available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond audio system, offers an immersive audio experience tailored to audiophiles. Safety and driver assistance features in the BMW 8i are top-notch. Standard equipment includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Optional features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and a head-up display add extra layers of convenience and protection. Parking is made easier with a surround view camera system and automatic parking assist. Driving the BMW 8i is a rewarding experience. It offers a balanced ride, agile handling, and a quiet cabin even at high speeds. Driving modes let you tailor the experience from comfortable cruising to dynamic performance depending on your mood or road conditions. This blend of luxury, technology, and performance makes the 8i a standout in the luxury coupe segment. Thanks for tuning in to Driveline. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates, reviews, and comparisons on the latest cars from around the world, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out.